An Air India Boeing 7878 flight AI171 bound for London Gatwick crashed shortly after takeoff from Ahmedabad's Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport on June 12, 2025. Carrying 242 on board, 169 Indians, 53 Brits, 7 Portuguese, and 1 Canadian. The aircraft veered off runway at low altitude and crashed into a doctor's hostel in Megani Nagar. Aviation experts suggest a bird strike may have disrupted takeoff speed and led to engine power loss. This theory is still under investigation. Emergency services responded swiftly. Injured passengers and hostel occupants were rushed to a hospital. Authorities have confirmed several fatalities and ongoing rescue operations. Air India has activated emergency response centers and pledged full support to affected families. Meanwhile, investigations by the DGCA and Boeing continue, with airport operations suspended until further notice.
Read more about this and other on our website, www.canadianinquirer.net. Also, don't forget to visit and subscribe to our socials.